Welcome to our third day of our 12 days of In the Kitchen Christmas. Today, we're making
chocolate-covered peanut butter sandwiches, which are made with crackers. However, after they're done, they taste like cookies. So, it's super simple, easy recipe, only 3 ingredients. So here we go. You guys ready?
Cookies?
Cookies!
They're pretty good.
Microwave safe bowl.
Come on, Kitty.
Peanut butter.
Chocolate.
Big chocolate bar.
Crackers. You can use Ritz, but we use non-GMO crackers. So we will put a link in the description so that you guys can find those. Some tongs to make it easier for dipping. So what you'll do is go ahead and break your almond bark apart and then start melting it until it's nice and smooth. So we will be right back. Alright, so our chocolate is nice and melty. However, you should peanut butter your cracker sandwiches first so that the chocolate doesn't get hard. So we're going to go ahead and do that second, even though we should have already had that done.
We are not professionals.
Thank you.
It is much better if you put quite a bit in the middle so it's nice and peanut buttery and it goes really well with the chocolate. So yeah, like a pretty good glob on there. And then more than that.
Bam.
And then just put the top on. Then you're gonna drop it into your chocolate. Having a pair of tongs helps really well because you can kind of maneuver it down into the chocolate. Just kind of push it, cover it on both sides. And there you go.
Good?
And then just set it on your wax paper or your parchment paper. Go ahead and cover all of your crackers and that's it. Then just let them harden and you're done. So we're gonna go ahead and finish up all these crackers here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us. Such a super simple recipe and they are enjoyed by all. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our gaming channel as well. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye-bye.